Yes guys, welcome back to the channel, Gabidan Family TV. In this video guys, you can see that civilians and police at it again, you know? Yeah man. So, civilians decide say, well, it not go so. But people need to remember say, nobody is above the law. And when they say police do them work, yeah man, it's best to stay outside, you know? Yeah man, so in this video guys, I can actually share with you. Yeah man, wherein police actually make an arrest. And the people in decide say, well, no, and that's how if you go. No, the law is the law. And we have to just abide by rules and regulation. Yeah man. So make you just watch the clip and so I go. Watch out! Yes guys, so you actually see for yourself. Yeah man. So the people in decide say, well, yeah, they might go defend the thing. So because of that now squad you have to put two up in a year and make them know say, well, no, and that's how you're going to ease up a police work. People have to know say when they see these kind of things and that's something for put yourself in, they put themselves in a danger because of a one man. And you don't know how what the man do. Make the police arrest the man. So because of that, the man have to fire two shot. People have to smart on that. Yeah man. But we just finish watching the clip and so I go on.
A pepper spray. No man let burn me throat.
Yes guys, so I tell you it is in the best interest of the public sometimes. When they say police or angle or them do their work, it's best not to intervene. Yeah man. It's best not to intervene. Question on yourself when you see a police do their job. Despite how you might know, please how you see. But nobody is above the law. You have to remember that we have rules and regulations. And them kind of thing you make Jamaica not look good. It come like say everybody bad and we unruly. And these things always upon social media. It is good for you actually can have evidence of certain activities still going. Tell you honest truth still. Because sometimes some things go down bad. And yeah, a video is good sometimes. Yeah man, but based on how you see people, them actually did the police them still. Yeah man. But we want to watch and see how this thing actually play out still. So we can just watch the other part of the clip.
Every time
I'm more man in the road. You even know that. It's ramping on me. I'm showing something. I'm shooting. I'm shooting the pussy. I'm shooting the body boy.
I don't run. I don't want to talk to you.
Bro, they don't know what to do. I know. They don't know who they are.
The man stand up and watch everything like that and shoot the policeman have a picture. You see them are taking jail or something and jump off and grab him up. That was how they tried to be in the left beam. And then he start war the boy. I told fire come from the road. And be in the level. Be in the BN12 fire the gunshot and spread the pepper.
Yeah. Come on for your bike, come shot, man. Yeah. Like a be like your picnic. To your boy. Who's so fat, you who are you? I don't think you're rich, yet. You're not going to be rich, so you're not going to be rich.
Long time he passed.
You're rich, fat, you're rich, so you're
hello, police got respect when they do their job.
Yeah.
When they're not doing their job,
you couldn't try that to them. You couldn't try that to them. You couldn't try that to them, man, dog. You're mad. You're mad, I'll take with that to come from time to them right now. Me, I'm pretty aware I'm going to box it to your fool. I saw the show go from man, the sick man.
I tell you, don't worry. Don't worry.
Tell me that. I lose all the work when you shot, man.
And the boy do nothing. And we are telling us that the boy do nothing. And they never have blood clot gonna fuck you up, but they never have gun.
Why come everybody a bad smarty, you know, peeps. Everybody bad nowadays. You see police are do their work and we intervene in kind of way. But Jamaica need to understand and know say police work I want serious work. Right? And these things can encourage other people to deal with the law a certain kind of way. Yeah man, so peeps, we have to just be mindful when you see police I do them thing. Yeah man, put yourself in it. You know? If you actually have a statement about an incident or whatever transpire, you better you go to a station and you make a statement. Yeah man. But when you see police in the field are doing thing, I make him arrest, I'm taking statement. First thing people could do, brother, jump up and take up phone and start a video. Yeah man. But we can't finish watch the clip still cause yeah man, they kind of long still, you know.
Yeah man, call him, call him. The man spell thing on the dance. Sit down there in the car. Sit down there in the car, hold that man guy ass. Sit down there in the car. Come on, mother. Again, we have to get rid of Pierce, bad man, and the rest of the man them charging. Oh my God. No.
Anyway guys, one thing you can say is sometimes when you see police angry a certain kind of way, sometimes our way give them the strength to deal with it a certain kind of way. You understand? Because it's like say, police, remember police are human being just like me and you, right? And if you go down on a man a certain kind of way, especially when you see him doing job, you're not going to retaliate. You know? You're just glad say nobody not really get hurt still. You know? Yeah, man. Police, if you bust a warning shot for no say, well, yeah, man. Police time or police time. Yeah, man. So, that's it, guys. Basically, you know, we really are going in Jamaica, you know, in a jam done. Yeah, man. But anyway, guys, yeah, man, just do the right thing, you know, show some support. Yeah, man, like, comment, and share. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Yeah, man, bless upon yourself, you know, until the next video. Yeah, man, and just stay safe under the right thing, you know. Yeah, man, blessings.